The last time I got the keys to this, I got pulled over. Can you see that? Yep. I got pulled over, so let's see what happens this time. I can't reach the pedals. I didn't realize Vince was this tall. Oh, that's nice. Where's the AC? Oh, that's right. It doesn't have AC. All right, let's go have some fun. So we're going to do a little comparison here on the GT350R versus kind of a stripped down base model 5.0. He's gutted interior and everything. I don't know what this car actually is going to weigh or anything, so I'm curious. Let's take it over to the scales and see what the weight difference is. All right, we are pulling up to the scales, and I actually really want to see what this thing weighs. Am I good to come in there, bud? Am I good? Am I good to weigh her? Yeah. I gotta go the wrong way. I'm coming the wrong way. All right. Now we do gotta also keep in mind that this car does have some heavy wheels on it, but it should be, I would guess, about 3840. It should be, I would assume, somewhere around like 3850 with me in it, hopefully. 3942. Can I get out? You're cool with that? So 3942 is the weight of the car with me in it, and now you guys are gonna know how much I weigh. 3768. Now the wheels obviously are not gonna do any justice because they do add quite a bit of weight to this car, but that's actually not bad. Under 4,000 pounds. Now we're gonna bring up, what's your name? Taylor? Yeah. We're gonna bring up his Mustang and weigh that, and I think the other one. What's your name? Jacob. We're gonna bring Jacob's then also. Jacob is what, stripped out pretty much?
Yeah, but it's got a Whipple on it.
Yeah.
It's gutted, no rear seats, nothing in the trunk, but it has a Whipple on it. So.
Awesome. Well, let me get this off, and we'll get that one on. Yeah, this has no AC, no radio, like nothing. No radio. Oh yeah, because it has that. All right. 3818. That's actually pretty impressive. Yeah. So basically what they're saying is you should buy the car with AC.
Yeah.
It's literally what? 40 some pounds? 40 some pound different. That is freaking nuts. Yeah, definitely.
95 degrees with a track temp of over 150.
Yeah. This is your channel? Okay, that's your Instagram. Definitely give them a follow, guys. It's actually a beautiful color. I like that color a lot. So
It's a nice color.
all right, now we're gonna get the stripped down Whipple on here and get the weight of that.
That car does.
Literally, that's interior, radio, AC. This thing is stupid loud too. You can't hear anything with it. So the color of this car is freaking sick. It's like a I can't even. Dear gosh, that is too loud.
It really is.
Absolutely too loud.
That is insane.
Now we're bringing in the Whipple. Really?
Let me get off.
It's literally the exact same weight. That is insane. And he's got like stuff back there and everything, guys. Like, it's not like, you know, he could really lighten this thing up. Full radio. I mean, it looks like it has XM radio and everything. Like, holy cow. Definitely check out Jake's channel here. Great guy. Oh, and look at that. That is freaking cool. I
saw this earlier. It does look
yeah, that is actually cool.
with Corsa exhaust and everything.
Wow. This one's not as loud as the other one. So,
But yeah, it's got a
No spare?
no spare.
You like live life on that?
It's got an amp and a sub.
yeah, there's an amp in there, a sub. So basically, I would buy the car with AC. Like that's a common denominator. I would buy a car with AC because it really doesn't save you much weight. This is actually a Whipple supercharged car, which is actually pretty cool. So the fact that this thing not only has a supercharger, it has air conditioning, it has a full interior, he lives out of it, and it still only weighs 6 pounds heavier than the GT350R. That is freaking insane, guys. Like, holy cow. No radio, no AC, and still is barely the lightest car out here. This color in freaking direct sunlight is freaking beautiful, guys. Obviously the GoPro is not going to transfer this color the way that it should, but man, what a freaking beautiful color. Obviously this one is a 6-speed also. Got air conditioning. I can feel the AC coming out of the vent, which actually kind of feels really good. Don't tell them I'm sucking up the AC. Hey Vince, this one has AC. I'm taking this one.
It's got the cool seats, right?
Yeah,
I bet it works
definitely.
in trucks too, and it's like
That's because the cab's so big in there. It's got to fill the entire cab. So he has a MBRP exhaust on it. Is it headers, no cats? Yeah, I figured as much as it had to be because it is freaking loud, guys. The video is obviously not going to do this thing any justice. But
my weight in the car.
yes.
All right, so you have to let people know I got 62-pound wheels on them.
62. I said 74. I thought they were 74.
They're like, I think they're 62 or 72. One of those.
Yeah, I forget. I said 74, so that's what we're going with.
All right.
Yeah, I know best. But if you really want to actually
And then
figure
if
it
you
out,
deduct the 800 pounds, 72 times 4, right? That's what it,
yeah.
That off.
Definitely. Now this car does actually come with the carbon fiber wheels from factory. However, you're gonna have to check out his video on that. Definitely check out Channel Chaser. Great guy. I feel like I've just given him shout out after shout out lately, and you know, it's probably because he supports
the only way
me.
I can eat.
He supports me, so I support him.
And I get the shirt for free. So.
And he did get the shirt for free, so
This car doesn't
I can't really complain. But if you guys want some knives, knivesdeal.com, great products, guys. For 10% off, use promo code SendItSteve, all one word. I mean, they are literally cool knives. You can throw them away, carry them anywhere. They are nice, ready to go. I just don't want to like open your car, but obviously you can tell he lives out of this thing as well, so definitely show some support his way. His is also a manual. Yours a manual also?
Yeah. They're all
Okay,
great,
we'll
man.
get over there. That is freaking cool. Like, we got the GT350 Coyote badge on the dash. These are cool cars, guys. I don't think I would ever buy a Mustang, but I do like looking at them and things like that. What a freaking cool little review. That car's badass. That color is amazing. Also badass. We got Vince down here, and obviously Vince's car is kind of cool for being a Shelby GT350. All right, guys, so as you do know, Las Fit Lighting, LED lights, they reached out and they said, hey, we want you to try some of our bulbs and do an actual review. And sometimes I'm skeptical on doing reviews and things like that, but this is a product that I was not skeptical of using, as I do know a couple people that have these in their vehicles already. Now we're gonna go ahead and install them, and they're very, very simple. I'm not gonna show you the install process. If you can take a light out and that, you can do it. So let me go ahead and get them swapped in. As you can tell, driver's side is not done yet. Passenger side is. What a tremendous difference. And then we'll walk around to the front. As you can tell, that is the Las Fit light on the driver's side, and this is just a regular factory HID. Now I think it's because the housing smoke that it looks dirty like that, but we're gonna go ahead and swap in the other one. Plus this is the one that was underwater, so it does have a little water damage, but so far so good. I can't wait to check it out tonight and see what it looks like. But holy smokes, you can actually tell the difference in the middle of the day. They are just that much brighter. Definitely check them out again, guys. Las Fit Lighting, LED. The link will be in the description below. I couldn't be any more pleased. Now I'll show you the rear and we're done. I'm not sure if looking out through you'll be able to tell, but the left side is the new Las Fit bulb, and then the right side is a regular HID bulb. That is freaking insane, the difference. Now we'll go outside and I'll show you the difference. Again, this is not a sponsored ad, but they did, you know, send me the product to review. So we'll go around to the front here. As you can tell, the right side is the LOSFIT bulb, LED bulb, and that is a regular HID bulb. Huge difference in the back, or in the front. And then when you walk around to the back, I've had them send me some reverse lights. As you guys do know, I run storms and things like that, and here you can really tell a difference. I mean, you can almost see the ground on that side. That side you cannot see anything. So definitely check them out. I will have the link in the description down below. But great product, great guys to work with. It was a very, very simple transaction, and you know, I couldn't be any more pleased. So I'm gonna swap the other ones in, and I'll pick it back up in the morning. Basically, like I was saying, guys, if I could afford to buy any of them, I would definitely buy the Whipple Coyote, just because, for number one, you get a warranty. It's a factory unit, you know. You do get a little bit of maintenance over and above the regular 5.0, but it's not that big of a deal. You know, you get an extra belt, I believe it is. I don't know if it runs on the same belt, but you have another tensioner. You get an extra fluids. I'm pretty sure those Magnuson superchargers, or I mean Whipple superchargers, I'm pretty sure those Whipple superchargers need their fluid changed. I'm not 100%, so don't quote me on that. But, you know, I would just go that route. It seemed like a cooler option. I would obviously, for my own benefit and for my own sake, I would add the back seats back into the back because, you know, frankly, I have children and I want to haul them around. So, as you can tell, that's probably the priority why the Corvette just kind of sits around, is because I do have kids and they can't really enjoy that car with me. So, long story short, the GT350R is an absolute awesome car for its own reasons. The Coyote base model, you know, with headers and full bolt-ons, that is a cool car for its own reasons. And the Whipple supercharged one is obviously the one that I would choose, because you get a little bit more power, you get a factory warranty, and it just, you know, it's just the way I would go. I don't know why, but that's just how I feel. So again, guys, if you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload.